Hey guys, I'm Shashwat and welcome to my channel. In this video series, we are going to see how we can create this small cute little game right inside your Android mobile phones. Yes, you heard it right. We are going to create this entire game from scratch right from the Android mobile phone. Okay, so let's have a look what we are going to create. So we are going to create a game like this where we have this tiny player who needs to go ahead and collect the treasure by with like avoiding these dragons in between. So let's click the play game button, and as you can see, using virtual joystick I'm able to move my player. Okay, and let's try to not to bump into I already bumped. All right, so let's go ahead and try that again. So let's see if this time I can make it. Okay, pretty close. All right, almost there. And let's do. Yay, I won the game. So that's what we are going to make from scratch. So before we continue and do our project setup, I just wanted to give an attention to the installation part where how we can get it. So basically you have to go to your Play Store, and from here you just have to search for Godot. So probably this should be the first search result that comes in, and in my case it is already installed and I can see there is an update. In your case you might get an install button, so just click and wait for the installation. In my case it's getting updated, and once it is done we are good to go. That's all you need. So see you in the next one.